Alright guys, welcome to what I call a reboxing video. Now, I really wanted to keep the Eacheen Novice 2. I thought it was going to be an awesome drone. It is an awesome drone, I'm pretty sure, if you get it running well out of the box. Anyway, that's the strap for the remote. And the remote happens to be my absolute favorite thing in this whole kit. The goggles, put them in here, put them back exactly the way they came when I bought the device. You've got the charger goes in there, same as it came when I got it. Good old drone, put it back in there, same as how it came. The remote, probably my favorite feature of this whole kit. It is fantastic. Oh boy, never mind. Got it wrong. The receiver goes in first and then the goggles on top. Otherwise, does not fit in the case appropriately. The batteries, that were the big problem with this kit. I'm going to put them in here. Then we have these spare propellers and bits and pieces. We have the antennas for the goggles, and this to attach it to a TV if you want to. The instructions, there were 3 bits of paper here for the instructions. That's all still here as it came. And I'm going to include my own. This did not come with a kit, but I had one of these things that you can use to power the goggles. I'm going to give that to the seller because I really wanted this to work out, but you know, I was not able to charge the batteries, and with that, me not knowing how to get another pair of batteries, I don't trust Banggood and a bunch of other websites. I need something that I can get like off Walmart or eBay, but I don't know the right specs or anything like that, and I would just end up getting the wrong thing. So that's my reboxing, and because I love Walmart, I'm going to put it in a Walmart box like this. Actually, I'm going to put it like this, so hopefully it won't get damaged. Beautiful. There we go. Let's lift the camera a little bit so that I can close it like such. Got my trusty old tape, and come on, bring the camera down a little bit more, and I will close this off, and then I will put the return label and send it back to the kind seller who sent it to me, who I hope will be able to take it back and sell it to someone possibly more deserving than myself. Maybe an expert in FPV who knows how to get the batteries and whatever. Not, I mean, I had trouble with the charger and the batteries, so not for me, but I'm sure it's for someone else. So there we have it, the reboxing. Again, a sad day, but hopefully someone else will do better. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one.